Yo, what's up? Today I'll be showing you how to create, use, and drop a database. Now, a database is a collection of related data. Think of a database as a container that can hold insane amounts of data. Now, to create your first database, you are going to say create database, then give it a simple unique name. I'll name mine customers. Well, MySQL is not case sensitive. You can actually use small letters on this. You can say create database in small letters, lowercase letters. Create database, customers, semicolon. Now, the semicolon marks the end of our statement. Just know if it's every statement you're going to write in MySQL, you will end it with a semicolon to tell the software that well, you are done with a statement. To run this, you're going to press this little lightning bolt icon here. Now, how do you know that you have created this database? Well, we have something called the schemas tab. A schema is a design of a database, but you can see that we don't have any database called customers here because it's not up to date for now. But if you come here and refresh the schemas tab, you can see that we have created our first database. Now, to use the database, you would say use customers. I'm just going to copy this and paste it down there. Copy. Yeah. Use customers semicolon to mark the end of a SQL statement. Let's run this. Now, this is the currently active database. As you can see, it's in bold letters. Apparently, these other databases are not in bold letters because they are not active, but the active database will always be in bold letters. Without using the statement, you can just double click on any database you want for it to become active. But if I double click on this, now this is the active database. Now there are various ways on how we can create a database. For example, let me first drop this database. To drop the database, we will say drop database customers. I'm going to run this. Our database is gone. Now remember, there are various ways on how to do this, on how to create a database. You can come to the schemas tab, right click, create schema, come here and just say customers. Click apply. The software itself, the database management system, which is MySQL, which we are using right now, it has gave us a new SQL statement, which is create schema customers. Now remember, schema is a design of a database. Create schema customer. I'm going to apply this. SQL script was successfully applied to the database. Finish. I'm going to close this. See, there's our database. Again, if I drop this database, I'm going to run this. You can reuse the statement. Drop database. This one is named customer and the other one was named customers. So I'm going to have to change this. Drop database customer. We have dropped that database. Again, this is another way to create a database. You're going to click on this icon here, kind of a container. Click it. Again, the same window. Customer, customers. Apply. Create schema, customers. Apply this. Done. Alright, that was how to create, use, and drop a database. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a table.